Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. This video I'd like to introduce for you guys is the brand CATL 3.75 120 ampere lithium-ion battery cell. Yes, here is the cell. And what is the application? Most of customer to buy 96 pieces to upgrade the Nissan Leaf car from 24 kilowatt hour to upgrade 40 kilowatt hour. And if you have interest, follow my video to see the details of this type of the cell. In my previous video, I show you guys that for the CATL cell, the cover, if the cover is the golden, then it is more high quality. The golden cover is made by the flame retardant material. From our previous testing, we use the lighter, continue to burn the golden cover and the cover without catch fire. This is very good CATL technology on it. The thickness is 33 mm. The length is 220 mm. The height is 100 mm. And this is from the car factory, just like the previous video I show you guys. It is from car factory, and the manufacture date from here is the F5. F5 means the manufacture date at 2025 May. It can be support 1C for continue and 3C for the peak. Customer to buy 96 pieces to upgrade their Nissan Leaf car from this one to this one. Yes, and also they share their case on a website here for you guys' reference. So if you want to buy a reliable lithium-ion battery cell from China, and you can contact with us freely. We tested the capacity for this one. The real capacity we got is 126 ampere hour. Yes, so if you buy 96 pieces of such battery to make your Nissan Leaf car replacement, you can upgrade to the 42 kilowatt hour from original 24 kilowatt hour to 42 kilowatt hour. And now the cell in our factory is also have very good price. For this type of cell with the starter, with the bus bar, it costs $30 per piece. So for your Nissan Leaf car replacement, for the original of battery cell, it costs $2,880 for 96 pieces of the cell. Do you have interest? At present, we only offer is the battery cell, and there have so many customers to ask us how to upgrade their Nissan Leaf car by technology, and ask us to provide the manual or the operation videos or others. At present, we cannot provide it. Here, we only is supposed to provide the high quality of lithium-ion battery cell for our customer. And here, I also want to kindly remind that please make sure you have enough knowledge to upgrade your Nissan. And I believe you guys may ask why you advertise for your battery cell. And here you ask some guys to get more knowledge for the upgrade. At present, for the customer to buy the battery cell from us, most of them are the electric car repair shop, or some guys, they have the technology for upgrades. They can fix anything. But there have so many guys is the owner of the Nissan Leaf, and they want to upgrade the battery by themselves. And most of them even didn't know the battery knowledge. So here is kindly reminder that please be sure you have enough knowledge to upgrade the Nissan Leaf car. Or I suggest you guys not to buy. StarMax is not only a company to sell battery, but mostly we offer the solution for our customer. It is not I sell the batteries for you, and when you receive it, you cannot assemble. I think this is irresponsible. I'm a battery seller, but safety still the first one upon the profit. Okay, thank you for you guys watching. And if you have interest for this 3.7 volt 120 ampere lithium-ion battery and with the CATL brand, contact with us freely. We can offer you the price and high quality. See you next video. Bye.